So this question comes up quite frequently, and it seems to be a no-brainer, but it's actually a little bit fuzzy. When some products and accessories and various packaging levels and combination kits, and it starts to get a little bit uneasy about whether or not your product is actually an FDA-defined medical device. But the first one is to, first of all, check against the FDA definition. Follow the link in the upper right there. It gives you some steps very similar to what you see here. And you can compare your claims about your product, your intended use, your information for use, and see how it bounces against the FDA definition. That's one of your primary functions that you need to answer. And then there's some other resources that you can dive into. There's a product classification database. You can also email or contact the Division of Industry and Consumer Education, DICE, and get some information there. This email also is free. But now you, in step number 5, you crossed over from free resources to paid resources. So you can actually submit a 513G. There's some cost there. I think it's about $5,000 or so. But you'll need to define your product. But the result of that is you will get an official FDA determination whether or not you have a medical device, and then need to comply with a number of regulations. And let's start off with those regulations. One is that you would pay a user fee. So there's a number of links here that talk about that. If you've never done that, you definitely want to do a little bit of research and understand that user fee. That is connected to registering your establishment and listing your product. So both those, number 2 and number 3, are performed on the FURL's website. This is an FDA website. It's free to access an account, and you do identify your establishment, put some contact information in, and then list your products.